Hello again. Well, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to test the low pass filter. The low pass filter probably have a very good design, but the problem is when you assemble it, never the component you use it, or for some reason, never you can write the exactly value or the performance is not exactly as you need, no? And then what is this? This is my signal generator. A Arduino or something, you can generate the RF. Now I can change here the frequency. I'm going to inject here the frequency. I took off the IRF 510, the MOSFET. I took off the MOSFET, and now by the drain, I'm going to inject the RF with the generator. And then look at this. Let me show you here. Okay. Now you can see the frequency and the level of the signal. Okay. Now check 6 megahertz, 0.2, 255. And then I'm going to move over or more than 6 megahertz and below to 6 megahertz. Check. Remember, normally I work 7.125, 150, no more than that. Normally me, in my case. Probably you in Europe, in other country, use different, but here for me, I don't cross never 2.2 or 7.2. Okay, but now check. I go down, maximum 6.2. Now go down. Okay, 6.2, 0.1 down, down. Go back, and then I want this level. How many? Let me check again. How many? Let's see, 4, 6 square, close to 7. I want this level, but in this frequency. Okay, it's a half. I have to modify my low pass filter, the toroid or the capacitor, to tune in this until he reach this one. Is my task. When my filter reach this amount peak to peak in this frequency, my filter is okay. I'm going to try, and after that, I'm going to show you what was the problem. Thank you for watching.